I'm Ariana Prothero, and I'm part of a team of reporters at Education Week that covers artificial intelligence and how it's shaping K-12 education. 2025 can be defined by two major themes when it comes to AI in education. The first is integration. We're seeing AI integrated into so many educational products and services that the technology has really become inescapable. That includes AI tutors built into literacy and math programs, AI teaching assistants built into popular education technology platforms, and AI that helps administrators plan bus routes and class schedules. And the list goes on and on. Yet the AI glow is also starting to wear off a bit. We're hearing more from educators and experts who are raising serious concerns that schools may be embracing AI too quickly. The truth is, there are potential harms when it comes to using AI to help educate students and manage schools. Which leads to our second theme this year, regulation. More states, districts, and schools are putting in place policies and guidelines to help students and staff navigate the ins and outs of AI use. About half of educators told the EdWeek Research Center in a survey last summer that their school or district has an AI policy in place. And what's in those policies varies widely. But experts recommend that any AI policy should include teachers and administrators. Too often these policies are being developed focusing entirely on students. So what can we expect to see in 2026? Based on our reporting, we're likely going to see more districts adopt AI policies. We'll see new innovations around how the technology is used in K-12 classrooms, and we'll likely continue to see pushback against how AI is used in education. But what I think many educators hope to see in the coming year is more and better professional development on how to use AI in education. The bottom line is that a lot of educators have embraced AI and more are likely to follow. However, many remain skeptical of the benefits of AI for themselves and their students. Whatever 2026 brings in terms of AI in education, we'll be covering it at edweek.org.